Namaste everyone. Welcome to Akshara Yoga School, located on a beautiful sustainable farm in the foothills of Himalayas. Today in this video, we will talk about pranayama. Pranayama means slowing down of the breath. Maharshi Patanjali in the second chapter of Yoga Sutra says, Shwas Prashwasyoh Gati Vichhedah Pranayama. It means a stoppage of inhalation and exhalation is pranayama. What does this mean? It means that with practice over a period of time, we have to slow down the speed of inhalation and exhalation. Or in other words, we have to elongate inhalation and exhalation and make it slow, deep and subtle, so that naturally your breath comes to a point where you don't feel as if you are inhaling or exhaling. There is an automatic suspension of breath. This automatic suspension of breath is known as pranayama. What happens when we slow down our breath? Let us understand this by exploring the meaning of word pranayama. Pranayama is made up of two syllables, prana and ayama. Prana is the vital force pervading the entire universe, which is responsible for all types of movements within the body and in the celestial world outside. The second syllable is ayama. Ayama means control or expansion of prana. So when we make our breath slow, deep and subtle, there is an emergence of pranayama within, and as a result, better control over the movements that are happening inside us, the movement of breath, the movement of impulses, emotions, and most importantly, thoughts. That is why pranayama is an important practice in yoga, because it helps us to calm down the mind. And yoga is nothing but calming of the mind. Let us now learn a very simple technique to make our breath slow, deep and rhythmic. The practice is known as sectional breathing. Sectional breathing utilizes three lobes of our lungs: the lower lobe, the middle lobes of the lungs and the upper lobe, with the help of abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing and clavicular breathing respectively. So to practice sectional breathing, sit comfortably in any cross-legged position. Keep your hands in Dhyan Mudra. Gently close your eyes and relax your body. Now bring your awareness on your abdomen. Now slowly inhale from the nostrils and bring your abdomen out. Make sure that you are breathing in slowly. And then slowly exhale and bring your abdomen in. Again, make sure that you are exhaling very slowly. Like this, you can practice 5 rounds of abdominal breathing. Next, we come to the thoracic breathing. Now focus on your rib cage. Now very slowly and gently inhale and expand the rib cage. Make sure that you are stretching the duration of inhalation. And then slowly exhale. Make your exhalation slow and controlled and relax your rib cage. Then practice 5 rounds of thoracic breathing. The last one is the clavicular breathing. Now slowly inhale and lift your shoulders up. Exhale and slowly bring your shoulders down. Again, you can practice 5 rounds of clavicular breathing. So in this way, by practicing sectional breathing, you can make your breath slow, deep and rhythmic. I hope that you have understood the concept of pranayama. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.